back to where we started from. But there's one more place to show you, and that's the path down behind the buildings on the right. Again, crossing. Yeah, we were here a while ago. I suspect there's going to be some storyboards right here. Just don't know what yet. So behind the buildings on the right is a path that goes through, and that's what I'm going to walk through. Again, this is the lower railway shed with the Y tracks to the main line. And let's go through here. The Mayo number 3 Shea locomotive. It's the James Island Vulcan. So let's go behind this shed. There's the garage building and the Forest Ranger Station. Garage building on the left, Ranger Station on the right. That path just ends at the railway. This is the one we're going on. Couple little wooden bridges over the swampy area. This always reminds me of a coastal provincial park. Here's the back of the machinery shed. Here's the little swamp pond with all its bugs. And that's the Forest Fire Lookout Tower. And we're going to go up there, and that's where we can end our video tour. is the Tourist Information Center, Cowichan Valley. Well, thanks very much for watching this, and I'll put the link to the BC Forest Discovery Center's website in the description of the video. But they are open Thursday through till Monday from 10 a.m. until 4 or 4:30 p.m. This is North Cowichan, just north of the city of Duncan, across from the Canadian Tire.